get all my paper and thing. Yeah man, so don't know the thing said. So Thursday or Friday I expect to get a call and then I come back and check it out. I'm outside with there in the city. Yeah. Outside with there, you know. So we carry up in the city, go check it out, see what I want. Yeah man, so come with me on the journey, you see me? Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, yeah. Yeah guys, outside of there, the machine shop. Yeah, that's our mission to there. So stick and stay, watch your go. Yeah, we are going in the Kingston. Welcome to Kingston, Jamaica people, welcome. Big pretty green people. Right at Tankwell. Yeah man, I left for a place so to get the service, you know. So I'm holding for service in the car on it. And place I know if it stays so. Good so. Tankerito. Yeah, so there is a place I try left it so. Servicing place. See that. Yeah man, we just come from the place you know. Left it, get all my paper and thing. Yeah man, so don't know the thing said. So Thursday or Friday I expect to get a call and then I come back and check it out, you see? I'm outside with there in the city, you see me? Know the thing go. Stay tuned. More to come, more vlogging. Yeah. Alright. One jug of steel guys. People in the city over there, you know? Outside there, you know, I think go. Yeah, what I eat all to party in the day. So party in the day, I'm a bit. Party in the day. Yeah, but check out the craft market on the side. Outside with them people. Watch out, man, wait up little girl start. Hush. Yeah, wait up, little girl. I want to splash them up. Enjoy, but I'm not going to enjoy. Crazy. I want to party down on the color too. a turn. Yeah, me up. Behind the grass. Circle potty shop and see me get 2 potty, you know me guys? Yeah, go and enjoy the ride outside. Yeah. Go the car them, no? Beautiful car on the lot. Outside there, you see me? Right up in the taste the place, you see me? Taste the place there, guys. Mash up to party. Oh, I go on.
Yeah, what are you doing, driver? That's place there.
For sure? No one a man breaking a car and a sicky. Yeah, my people. I reverse back on. Sicky some go one more. Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna mash up the pit. Two. Yeah, so I'm there at party place. I get to a party now. Yeah. Get to a party now. Yeah, man, go on tune in outside there, you see? Get to a party. Step up in a taste here, you see me? I know it thing go be. So catch me when we go through and get the party. You see? Yeah. Outside you there, you know? Just down well to party and right, that's so. Yeah, man, outside, you know what thing go. Sick, you big up yourself. Yeah. In Kingston with there, you know. Man, I mash up the 2 party right, that's so. You know, say I eat bills to them 2 party and a juice, you know. Yeah. You see me? So fully active. So yo, when I reach up I want park and I mash up, I show you where I go on. Big up on yourself. People there by famous Devon House, my people. Yeah man, but me not in ice cream today, you know guys. No ice cream today. We there, yeah. Devon House today, my people. We just come eat a local party. We need a tour. If you don't want a tour, people, you don't have to comment and say Devon House tour. I said tour. Yeah. If you don't want a tour, comment and say tour. Yeah. Yeah man, a Devon House today, my people. It's a landmark in Jamaica, you know? Check it out. Up here say, oh, like female and love up here, say, you know, yeah? Be a female come up here upon date, you know, guys, yeah. The female and up here upon date like crazy, guys. I want to find a nice park, you know, my people. Yeah, my people, so right now, I'm up in the park, you see, you know. Yeah, man, we're in the park, I go easy a little bit, on our tree. Yeah man, we just mash up a party. Yeah. Check it out. Stay tuned. Yeah man, at lunchtime. We're up on the road, but we just go easy in the park a little bit. Yeah, and then we just, yeah man, in the car park with them, man. Mash up 2 party in it a little bit. Yeah my people, so I'm just there. Yeah man, it's a chicken party, you know. So I told them buy still. Next one now people, try it out, chicken patty. Yeah man, so we're soon active up back on the road again.